Alright, now we're ready to actually put this intake manifold on. So you can see we spent a lot of time cleaning. Let's have a look inside here. This is the ports now, so we're gonna, it's hard to actually see. So we're gonna actually have a look inside there. Big difference compared to before. All the ports are clean. You can only probably clean, I'll say 90%. You can't clean 100%, maybe 95%. But at least all the little rocks and carbon deposited out from the intake valve and intake ports. So you can have more airflow and better for the car as well. So sorry, I'm just doing sorry for going quick. I'll go slowly. Same as this side here. Everything's back together now, so we're going to actually put the intake on now, and then pretty much assemble everything. One more thing I want to show you before I put that on is we have fixed some of the stuff down here. Put a hose clamp, sorry, a cable tie around there. That was already broken by somebody, so to hold it on. So this turbo system has been leaking a lot as well. That hose clamp there was loose as well. That wasn't tight. Someone's been here before. But anyway, let's go back to the top. So now we're going to install the intake manifold now. Torque it all up. Assemble the top, bottom, all the stuff on the side, and we'll start it up and we'll go from there. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.